Now, the Indian men's hockey team is all set to face world champions Belgium in their semi-finals today. Indian men's hockey team is playing in the semis in the Olympics after a gap of 49 years. And the boys will script history. They're all set to script history today. We're all hoping that the Indian men's hockey team do us proud once again in the semi-finals and clinched that medal for us. Indian men's hockey team is all set to break the jinx of 49 years. They will meet Belgium in the semi-finals. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Amandeep. Amandeep, everybody's eagerly waiting to watch the match. India all set to play Belgium in the semi-finals today. Take us through the mood on ground and what are we looking at?
Well, exactly, Crispino. Today, the entire nation is eyeing on the Team India boys just because they are fully loaded and landed on the ground to beat the Belgium and to bring the gold for the nation. When the entire families of that entire team are fully prepared since morning, they are preparing to watch the match and even conveying the blessings to entire team. And in fact, right now we are standing in Varun's home and we will join the mother of Varun who is continuously watching the screen just because since morning she remain active in the house and continuously praying for Varun and Team India to bring the gold to this nation. This is a very big day for them, for us, and in fact the match has started. We will try to talk to them also. आंटी जी, बहुत बड़ा दिन है आज टीम इंडिया के लिए, देश के लिए. सारा देश जो है आज हॉकी का मैच देख रहा है. लड़के गोल्ड लेके आएंगे. आप सुबह से एक्टिव हैं, किस तरह से देखते हैं? आपका बच्चा भी इसमें खेल रहा है.
बहुत अच्छे से देखते हैं बेटा, और हमें तो बस बार बार वो यही बोल रहे हैं, हमें तो खुशी है. हमारा बेटा भी ओलंपिक में खेल रहा है तो बहुत खुशी की बात है और बहुत गर्व की बात है कि हमारा बेटा इधर खेल रहा है.
टीम इंडिया को आज आशीर्वाद की जरूरत है, सारे देश के आशीर्वाद की जरूरत है. आप भी सुबह पाठ पूजा कर रहे थे उनके लिए.
हमारे लिए तो बहुत ही खुशी की बात है, बहुत आशीर्वाद की बात है, पर पूरे देश का इनके साथ आशीर्वाद चल रहा है बच्चों के साथ.
So she is praying for the Team India since morning continuously, and in fact, Crispino, now she is completely focused to watch the match, to not even to miss a single moment of this match, just because now the Team India has already proved that they are very much perfect on the field goals also. Earlier it was an apprehension that might be somewhere the Team India is lacking on the field goals, but now Team India has come up with a strong sense of the field goals, and today that is the biggest tool against the Belgium, and even the Belgium will get defeated by Team India. They are motivated, they are blessed with the families, the entire nation is blessing to the Team India, and the history will be created today itself.
All right, joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Sumi. Sumi, you are reporting live from Delhi, and what's the mood there? Do take us through all that's happening.
Yes, Crispino, certainly we are here at the Major Dhyan Chand Stadium, and here we are hoping that there will be a group of 200 people who will be singing national anthem to motivate both Indian hockey men's team as well as women's team, as they have scripted history yesterday by fixing their spots in the semi-finals. And that is certainly, as Amanpreet was emphasizing on the very fact that we will create the history, we will certainly win against Belgium today. And just to motivate the entire Indian team and how they have performed so far and to give them our best wishes, we have been witnessing here a lot of sportspersons, and especially the BYJM, that is the Bharatiya Yuva Morcha, that is the student wing of Bharatiya Janata Party. They have come together with 200 men just opposite India Gate to sing national anthem. And this is in line with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Mann Ki Baat, as he had said that together we should create a record of singing national anthem in huge numbers. And this is what exactly that has motivated the BYJM today to come here in huge numbers and also to sing the national anthem. And this will certainly fall into the ears of the players who will be, who will be playing today against Belgium. And we will certainly script history as we go about that. Crispino.
Right, all eyes are today on the match between India and Belgium. Can India break the 49-year jinx? We are all waiting to see that. Thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast.